Hello students, I am Dr. Sunita Patil, working as Head of Department of Microbiology. Microbiology is a branch of life science which deals with the study of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae, and protozoa. This branch has importance in various fields like molecular biology, biotechnology, medical, industrial, and in applied sciences. The department was established in 1980. Courses offered in department includes BSc, MSc, and PhD. Choice-based credit system for FYBSc, SYBSc, and for MSc, while semester pattern for TYBSc. The admissions to undergraduate and postgraduate courses are given on merit basis. Student strength for FYBSc is 90, 48 for SYBSc, 24 for TYBSc, and 30 for MSc. Key strengths of the department. The department has well-qualified and experienced faculty, well-equipped and modern laboratories. Faculty members of the department presented and published research papers at several reputed national, international conferences and journals. Excellent teaching learning environment. Internet access to staff and students. Good research culture and environment. Department has a good number of placement record. Department provides collaborative interaction of students with industry experts. Department organizes a guest lectures of eminent scientists and academicians, seminars and workshops for knowledge uplift of faculties and students, funding to the department from various nationalized agencies. Department is in hands of 8 highly qualified and experienced teaching staff. 3 faculties are PhD guide in subject of microbiology and environmental science. First area of research of the department includes environmental microbiology, dairy microbiology, nanotechnology, plant pathology, food microbiology, and medical microbiology. The faculty members have published 83 research papers in peer-reviewed national and international journals and authored 12 textbooks of microbiology. Faculty as members in Academic Council, Board of Studies, Science Faculty, Chairman and member of 48 committees, and also work in various national and other committees. Adequate infrastructure for conducting theory and practical classes is available. Departmental library is furnished with number of books, e-books, and e-journals, 5 nodes for internet facilities for staff and students, 2 classrooms with ICT facility, 3 laboratories, 2 projectors, and 7 computers. Major instruments in the laboratory includes televised microscope, air sampler, UV visible spectrophotometer, ultrasonicator, cooling centrifuge, and cooling incubator. The teaching methods adopted in the department: traditional and interactive methods like chalk and talk, classroom discussion, providing course materials, and in addition to these traditional teaching methods, innovative methods, that is YouTube videos, microbiology blog, demonstration of practicals by using televised microscope, experiential learning by arranging educational visits for students. Department has organized guest lectures of eminent scientists and academicians. The department has organized syllabus detailing workshops for undergraduate and postgraduate courses, hands-on training techniques in molecular biology and immunology in association with high media laboratories, and workshop on frontiers in teaching learning methods for faculty members. Approximately 33 lakh rupees grants received to the department from various funding agencies like DPT Star College, DST FISD, BSR that help in increment of infrastructure and research facilities. Students from the departments are benefited through different scholarships given by Savitribai Phule Pune University, by college, and from external agency like Mahindra Finance. Slow and advanced learners from the department are identified through the screening test. Slow learners are given extra coaching and guidance, while advanced learners are motivated to appear for competitive exams and to participate in state level micro Olympiad contest and to present research projects in Avishkar. The faculty member always encourages the students to participate in different co-curricular activities such as publication of research papers in different journals, poster presentation in conferences, poster presentation in Avishkar research competition, participation in state level micro Olympiad, participation in Dar Shaniwari Vidyanwari, and in seminar competition. 18 students from the department are university rank holders, while 12 students cracked NEET or SET exam. The department keep a track of student progression to higher studies and their employment. Department has active alumni association contribution. The students of the departments are blessed as a scientist in National Center for Microbiological Resources, that is National Center for Cell Science, then senior research scientist in genetics and pharmacogenomics in Merck and Company, Boston, postdoctoral researcher, research scientist, manager, CEO, quality manager, executive microbiologist in various industries and institutes. Community-oriented activities conducted by the department includes water analysis, hemoglobin estimation camps, thalassemia screening camp, blood donation and blood group detection camp, and program on gender sensitization. The best practices of department includes providing bacterial cultures to other institutes, testing the antimicrobial sensitivity of compounds, microscale experiments, and bacteriological analysis of water for checking its potability. From this year, under STRIDE scheme, The department has started a certificate course in malnutrition and community health for 2 credits to undergraduate students. Thank you.